Hello everyone, today is Monday, June 3rd. It's 5:05 p.m. I'm just getting around to making today's video. We do have another video from Jim, and I'm going to get into that and show that right now.
All right, good morning, June 3rd. This is a 150K funded account, so this is real money, real account, as you can see by the yellow border here. A few minutes after market opens, just give it a chance to calm down. Let's see where this is going to go. They started strong, now they're selling off. Just waiting for a bounce up a little bit and then see if we can continue lower. Now, while I'm doing this, I have to also manage my own personal account and a combine. So my biggest challenge now is to do those three accounts at the same time, plus the recording. Luckily, the Autotrader is doing most of the heavy lifting, so it definitely helps, but still challenging. Here comes the bounce. I would like it to go slightly higher and then turn around. Of course, if it's really weak, it won't even bounce any higher than this. So, not an ideal place to take a short. But here it is. Okay. Yeah, so they're just selling it off. Might be a very quick morning. All right, I'm gonna wait for another bounce here. I don't know if I said that already. This is a live account. A funded account is a live account. This is not a combine. Okay, by the way, this is an example of me being clumsy. This long should not be checked because I am bearish. I'm looking for shorts only, but because I'm doing so many things at the same time, keeping track of so many accounts, that's an example of me being clumsy. It would not take a long anyway because the moving average is sloping down. But if it was to bounce up above it, then it could have taken a long, and I'm really not interested in longs right now. As you saw earlier, I closed those two positions manually because I expected a bounce up before a continuation move lower. Well, that bounce up never happened. And instead of hitting my profit target by now, I'm only halfway there. The auto trader stayed short the whole time. So what is very clear is that the auto trader is far superior at managing trades than I am. So the lesson here is leave the auto trader alone. So we are getting a nice bounce. I'll be looking to short again. If prices now retraces, I will be taking a short. As you can see, shorts are marked, longs are not. And once again, this is a live account. I got out way too early on that first run down. I really thought this bounce would come earlier, but I was wrong. I apologize. I pressed something by mistake and the recording just went haywire. Anyway, I believe we stopped somewhere here, right? So what happened was I took target on the first position and took a small loss on the second half, and then came closer to the moving average and took a short over here until my profit target for the day of 650 was hit. A couple of ticks of slippage there, no big deal. And this is really the ideal place that I like to take a short, much closer to the moving average than over here, and you can tell the difference, right? I mean, this is just a much more ideal place. To reiterate again, this was a live account. This was a live trade. This is my funded account. Again, I'm sorry that something went so wrong with the recording. Those things happen. Like I said, I'm trying to trade 3 different accounts while doing the recording, and it just sometimes proves to be a bit much. See you tomorrow.